Let's see, how does an attacker get their hands on your admin rights? First, they do credential exploitation. This is one of the main tactics. What do they need for this? They need your username and your domain. That's it, nothing else. And then finding out your password becomes just a hacking exercise for them, actually a morale boost for them. Then another item that they use is vulnerabilities and exploits. So there are exploits in software, in any other, even in IoTs, that they can leverage so that they can get admin rights and get the accounts that have been connecting to that particular machine. Misconfigurations like having your root admin with no password or having your admin password with the admin password. So admin is the user, admin is the password. This is the lamest in the book that can happen, but it actually happens in a lot more cases than you guys could imagine. Next up, malware, spy bots, right? Spyware, keyloggers, right? All of that can extract the details and then leak the information to the attacker. Next up, social engineering, which is becoming more and more dangerous, because even again, if you invest a lot of money in your cybersecurity, sometimes the weakest link is the user at the end of the road. And it's not their fault because they're already busy doing their work, and having us want them to learn cybersecurity as well as we do as professionals is sometimes not possible. So we will train them in a minimum set, but then we need to help them spot social engineering schemes and know at least a list of things that they should never do, no matter who's asking them or how cute that person is. And last but not least, insider threat. So this is like social engineering, but nobody needs to engineer themselves in. It's actually a disgruntled employee or an employee that just got with your company so that they then can sell the access further and so on and so forth. But there's another one. And this has been actually on a huge rampant growth since a few years back. This other one is called, and I'm gonna put this on the screen right now, initial access brokers. What does that mean? Basically, I am an attacker. I got access to your environment in any way, shape, or form. And what I'm doing, because I don't want to hack you, I just want to make some money. I am going online on the dark web, of course, and I am posting a message such as this. Let's read the message. So this is an organization. It's called the Geo Republic of Mauritius. The revenue of this organization is 300,000 million or 300 million, something like that, right? K stands for 3 zeros, another 3 zeros. So this is 300 million, right? Then this is a telecommunication company that is kind of the lead in that space. The AV is semantic and the attacker already can disable it for you. Details will be given in person, right? And they are giving domain admin rights. So in this moment, for a small fee of $3,000 or flash sale, you get it immediately for $5,000. This huge company that I believe they invested a lot of money in growing their company and in making their cybersecurity proper, this huge company can be compromised because somebody wants to make $5,000. And then a ransomware family, a ransomware cybercrime family will then extort this particular organization for a few $1 million, right? And this is how it goes in today's world, and this is a huge problem. We've been talking about initial access brokers for a while now.